Are you feeling overwhelmed with the thought of designing your bathroom? Let me take you through the process, step by step, from choosing products, visiting our showrooms, or shopping online, and doing it all with confidence. Today, we'll be designing a bold and modern large bathroom, featuring some super on-trend pieces. If you have any questions throughout the video, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Measurements and must-haves. As always, the first place to start is with measurements, and take a note of clearance for doors openings, any alcoves and windows within your room too. Take some photos of your room and note down where the plumbing and electrics are already situated. Sometimes replacing a bath with an updated bath in the same spot can limit awkward plumbing work you may want to avoid. We'll be sure to link a video in the description too to explain how to measure your room for tiles too. Before heading into a showroom or ordering online, it's great to also have a think about your non-negotiables or must-haves. When designing a bolder bathroom, you may want to choose a standout piece, whether it's a black bathtub, such as our Victor Benson Arabica 1500 freestanding bath in the lovely gloss black finish, or you may want to focus on a fun tie, such as our zebra pink geometric tiles or Iron Tropic brown matte 60 by 120 tiles. Since these large botanical tiles are rectified, it means they can be laid very close together, which means smaller grout lines and an even more seamless look. Browsing Bathshack products. Head over to Bathshack.com to get an idea of the styles of products we offer and what designs take your interest. We have over 5,000 products on site, so we're confident there'll be something for everyone. If you know you want something that reflects your personal style but are struggling to piece your design together, don't miss out on checking out our socials for inspiration. Our Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest and YouTube are all filled to the brim with bathroom inspiration for whatever style you're going for. We've featured some stunning, real customer bathrooms that have followed a bold and beautiful look that can help kickstart your ideas. Our 3D bathroom planner can also be a great way for you to see what you can fit in your floor plan. Here you can input your measurements you've already taken and place Bathshack products in situ to get a real idea of how your modern and quirky bathroom could look. This is also a great opportunity to see what exactly will match with those beautiful botanical tiles you've had your eye on. Need an expert? You've done everything you can design-wise at home, but maybe you're not quite ready to purchase. Call into one of our 10 showrooms throughout the island of Ireland. Bring the information you've already gathered, such as measurements and styles you love, and our knowledgeable team can give fantastic advice and inspiration to give you real confidence in your bathroom design. No need to book an appointment. The team in our Boucher Road showroom suggested checking out the new brushed bronze fixtures, as the pink tone would complement the blush pink paint from Joseph Martin beautifully and is definitely part of the modern look we've been aiming for. The brushed bronze is available in the Alicia Ritchie tall mono mixer and matching Alicia Ritchie exclusive freestanding bath shower mixer. And to complete the look, a gorgeous towel rail for functionality and look too. If you can't make it into a showroom, our telesales team can offer expert advice over the phone too. And if you feel you're missing out on seeing the products in person, many of the items on Bathshack.com come with a range of images and product spotlight videos to give you an up-close look while you shop at home. Take the plunge. Ready to make that bold and beautiful bathroom dream a reality? Our Bathshack showroom team can process your order, informing you of some delivery times which will help you book your tradesman if you haven't already. Or if you still need some time to think, walk away with a detailed quote, meaning that when you are ready to purchase, everything is listed, making it super easy and seamless. And now we wait. Here at Bathshack, we deliver throughout the UK and Ireland. Once your items arrive, be sure to open everything and check your products against your invoice. Any issues, be sure to report them to us within 48 hours so we can help get them rectified. But now you're ready to install. Ta-da! Your vibrant bathroom is here. Make sure to enjoy your brand new space. We suggest taking some beautiful pictures and tagging us over on Instagram to let us see your design in situ. If you need more bathroom advice or inspiration, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or check out our blogs over on Bathshack.com. Be sure to like this video if it was helpful and leave any comments below. Shop luxury for less at Bathshack.com.